All right, so I'm going to show you how you can actually set up a screen recording using WeVideo, and to also allow, obviously, if you are presenting like a Google slide or a PowerPoint presentation, how you can then embed your webcam and edit it based on size and where it's placed on the screen. So the first thing you're going to want to actually do is you're going to go to WeVideo and you're going to sign in, and you're going to be here in your dashboard. And I'm actually going to go to recording first. And when I click on that, it's getting things ready. And basically, as soon as I'm ready to present, I want to make sure that I have my tabs ready. And you could obviously go in and edit the start point once it's recorded. But I just want to kind of show you on this end how this would look. So if you wanted to have your webcam on and record your screen at the same time, you're going to want to go to screen and webcam. Obviously, if you just want to record your screen or you just want to record your webcam, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go to screen and webcam and hit next. And what I'm now going to do is you'll see that this pops up, and this is basically asking you, if you have a secondary camera or a secondary mic and you'd like to use those instead, this is where you can go and choose those. So I don't, so I'm just going to click next. I can see my picture is here. This is also where you can kind of change the angle, make sure the recording space is how you want it. I'm going to hit next. I'm then going to choose what screen I want to record. So you can see I have multiple screens here, and that's because I have triple monitors set up. I could also go and do a specific application or a specific Chrome tab. So I'm just going to go and do a specific Chrome tab, and I will actually go and record this WeVideo screen. So when I do this, it will only show this specific tab. The only problem with this is if you are doing a presentation and you have to leave the screen, that's going to pop back up, and you're only going to see what's on that tab. So if you do want to use the entire screen and move around from different applications, then you're just going to want to choose your entire screen for that. I'll do that just for this example. So I'm going to go ahead and hit share. You can see this timer comes up, and it is currently recording. So I am just here on WeVideo, and it's recording right now. You can't see my face with the webcam, but I will assure you it is recording. My light is on my camera, and as soon as I am done, I'm going to go ahead and just hit stop sharing. And you can see I have my two videos here, and I can now go and hit save if I like how they look. And you'll see that it places it here in two separate spots. Now, from here, you're not done. There's a couple things you can do. You can go in, and if you double click, so like here's my webcam video file. If I double click on that, I can see that my picture actually has these boxes on the corners. And this is how I can go and adjust the size of it. And I can actually click on it and move it around as well. So maybe I don't want it in this top right corner because maybe there's something important I want to show. I would then move that down here, maybe to that bottom right corner. And like I said, maybe I think this is a little bit too big. I'm going to go ahead and shrink that and place that in that corner. And then I'm going to scroll over here and click Save Changes. As soon as you're done and everything looks how you like it, I can then go and up here at the top, I can scroll and hit finish. I'm going to name it. So I'm just going to name it my test video. Hit set. I always want to choose HD if it is available because it's going to give me the best resolution. And this is going to save it as a cloud-based file on WeVideo's website. What I like to do is do it on Google Drive. And if I click that, it will ask you to sign in the first time, but then after that, you won't have to do it again. And this will actually create a MP4 file that it'll go ahead and place in your Google Drive for you. I'm just going to then scroll to the bottom and hit export. And actually from here, I don't need to leave this window open. Basically, as soon as it's done, it will go and send it to my Google Drive. I hope this helps.